Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. In last tutorial we have seen how to add user in a group through our node code. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to remove group member from Node.js code. So what we have to do, just come down and here create one function here. You can give the name as a function, right? Delete user from group, right? And try to close this one. So if you remember last tutorial we have used this code, right? So I'm just going to copy this code, and after that what you have to do, just paste your code here, and this group name again we are going to pass dynamic, right? And here we are not going to perform add operation, so here we have to perform delete. We are going to now which user delete, currently we'll see with Jill, right? So we added his full CN, right? After that you can see it will perform, and here we need to change the message, right? Change the message like deleted user from a group, right? And this is our function name. So once it will load, if the bind will be successful, after that what you have to do, just call this code, right? And we are going to delete user from which group? This is the group, right? So just copy that full DN of that group and come down, just paste, right? And try to run. So once you will run, you can see the user has been deleted, right? Just come, try to refresh. Now you can see that user has been deleted. So now I am going to delete one more user, that name is hi. So just come, change as a hi, refresh, run. Now you can see the user has been deleted. Just come, refresh, right? The user has been deleted. Suppose in worst case you have been deleted that user, but again you try to delete that user. On that time you will get an exception, right? You can see there is no any such user, right? No such attribute. So suppose if you are getting this kind of error, that means the user has been already deleted or already added. So that's why you will get some kind of exception like already existed or user has been deleted. So in next tutorial we are going to learn how to update any user.